Hey everyone! In today's video, we'll learn how to calculate sum of years digits depreciation in Excel. This is a method used to calculate depreciation where assets lose more value in earlier years compared to later ones. Let's go through an example to see how it works. Cost is the purchase price of the asset, such as the price we paid for our car. Salvage value is the estimated value of the asset at the end of its useful life. For example, after 5 years, our car is expected to have a salvage value of $1,000. Useful life refers to the number of years over which we expect to use the asset. In this case, the useful life of our car is 5 years. Period refers to the specific year during the asset's useful life for which we are calculating the depreciation. So our syntax looks like this. Firstly, select cost. Next, salvage value, life, and period. We've already calculated the depreciation for the first period, and it's $3,000. This means that for the first year, the car loses $3,000 of its value. To find the value of the car after the first year, subtract depreciation from the initial cost. And we receive value of our car as $7,000 after 1 year. Now, let's calculate the depreciation for the second period. This means that for the second year, the car loses $2,400 of its value. So, after the second year, the car is worth $4,600. This explanation shows that the depreciation amount for each year decreases over time as the asset ages. The first year had a higher depreciation, $3,000, while the second year has a lower depreciation amount, $2,400, because it's calculated based on the remaining value. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more tutorials.